Hi folks, this is Larry with Protection Dog Sales. We have Tyson in the building, and this is not his trainer.
Good boy. Good boy.
But we're going to just run him through his paces and see what he's got. He's got an over and he's got a back.
Come on, let's go all the way. There, come on. You can do it. I see it. Sit. Stand. Can we stand?
This puppy is
That's it. Sit.
2 months and 26 days old.
That's it. Very nice. He wants to shake so bad.
Very pretty little black male.
Shake on the other side. Come on, wait till I get up on kind of on you. Off your hind end there just a little bit. There we go. Sit. That's it. Nice. Can you wave?
We got
No wave? Okay, down. Very good. Bang. No. Okay, none of that. Sit. Shake. Nice. Very nice. Stand. Come on. Stand.
And as I said, he is only 2 months and 26
That's
days.
it. Sit. Come on. Sit. Touch. Sit.
He's a very happy and very well-rounded little fella.
He's a good boy. That's it. Come on, touch. Nice. Nice indeed.
And that is Mr. Tyson. Oh, we're going to look at us.